The wasteful societies we live in mean resources are dwindling at an alarming rate, and the need to recycle increases. The CK Group are ideally positioned to offer a fully managed, outsourced plastics recycling solution to any organization, benefiting customers environmentally and financially. Developing their own plastics recycling operations and helping companies meet their recycling targets. CK Polymers opened for trade in the year 2000, supplying R-grade plastic raw materials throughout the UK and beyond, offering the best fit in terms of sourcing and trading of the commodity. 2002 saw the launch of CK Plastic Recycling Operations, a natural progression by the group. As the recycling operations expanded, it was important to maintain a consistent route to market, and in 2004, CK Polymers Hong Kong developed as a means of meeting this challenge. The group have constantly looked for ways to improve their services, so in 2011, CK Distribution evolved to cope with the demands for a reliable method of dealing with the rollout of new wheelie bins and the collection of old. The CK Group do not see people as suppliers, they are our source customers. The group buy, sell and recycle most types of plastic material, from process waste to consumer scrap, sourcing and processing over 3,500 tons a month across a multi-sited operation. Their reliable collection and delivery service is geared to pick up most plastics, clearing sites of recyclable material without cherry-picking the best. The expert commercial team will find the best route to market for the end products at the right price for the customer. The group's testing facilities ensure that the high grade and quality demanded by customers can be achieved and demonstrated, providing customers with technical data sheets showing the ISO standard which the material test conforms to. The combined operations of the CK Group provide the right solutions for their source customers, giving the customer control throughout the process, reducing carbon footprints and benefiting the environment, increasing the rebate to the customer, finding the best secure routes to market, minimizing cost to the customer, maximizing value. CK Polymers are the commercial arm of the group with a detailed knowledge of the plastics industry, buying, selling and recycling all types of plastic materials that can be recycled. Outsourcing the management of plastic materials makes good business sense. CK Polymers work alongside organizations to identify the system that best fits their day-to-day operations, improving source customers' on-site management with qualified personnel and specialized equipment on hand to speed up the operations. They develop long-term strategies that can evolve as an organization's own operations develop, with a robust logistics operation to ensure maximum efficiency. CK Polymers are constantly increasing the sourcing of plastic materials throughout the UK and Ireland, transporting the materials for processing on their own sites or through localized recycling partners. Localized partners provide efficient processing points for smaller volumes, reducing cost and improving the carbon footprint for the customer. Every load arriving on site is weighed and recorded before sorting, grading or processing. Loads are shredded or granulated prior to packaging, ready for dispatch. End customers can be sure that all the materials supplied are of a high, consistent quality. The group's laboratory facilities will determine the physical properties of the material and can supply a certificate of analysis to the customer. CK Polymers have the capability to source and supply a range of R-grade plastic raw materials ready for processing into recycled plastic compounds or directly into new products. Their experience, knowledge and extensive sales and distribution network will identify the most beneficial route to market for customers' materials and offer expert advice in identifying plastic types. The growing network of plastic partners have already recognized the financial benefits of working with CK Polymers. If you are a growing recycling company wanting to grow your own business and improve cash flow, then call the CK Polymers commercial team now. CK Plastic Recycling evolved as a natural progression of the group to enable the mechanical recycling of most plastics, collecting the plastic material at source and transporting it direct to their site or through their recycling partners to benefit their source customers. CK Plastic Recycling's full-service capability will convert materials supplied by a customer back into an essential raw material, processing the full range of plastic materials from process waste through to consumer scrap, supplying to the end customers at agreed prices. Following collection from the customer's premises, the material is weighed, sorted and processed ready for dispatch. Once sorted, the raw materials can be shredded, ground or processed into a clean, homogeneous form that meets the end customer's needs. The product's physical properties are tested within the group's extensive laboratory facility, qualifying the materials and ensuring the customer's requirements are met. Depending on the generic polymer type, the products can be supplied in a range of viscosity and colors to suit customers' requirements. CK Plastic Recycling operations will increase the value of scrap plastics, reducing landfill to benefit the environment and offering a recyclable package to suit customers' needs. To discover how CK Plastic Recycling can benefit your own company, call the commercial team now. Currently, the UK market can only process and recycle about half of all plastic collected from the domestic market. CK Polymers Hong Kong has been developed to maintain the group's philosophy of facilitating a route to market for all excess plastic materials from source customers. Operating from offices in Kowloon, they source materials worldwide and sell to end customers across Asia. They have built up successful business relationships which benefit the UK operations. Their proven track record of trading with end-user manufacturers across Asia has increased the opportunities for delivering a consistent outlet for recyclables. To explore how this could benefit your own operations, or if you have plastic material to sell, then contact Group Headquarters. With CK Polymers and CK Plastic Recycling exclusively servicing the industrial sectors, the most recent addition to the group structure has been CK Distribution, servicing the wheelie bin and food waste caddy sector. Working closely with manufacturers and local authorities, we distribute new wheelie bins and food waste caddies to UK residents and collect and recycle the old redundant stock. CK Distribution personnel work alongside the local authorities to facilitate rollouts, with specialised personnel scanning RFID tags during distribution to ensure 100% of information is gathered and returned accurately to the client. The overall management during the contract includes the replacement and recycling of damaged wheelie bins. 100% of the damaged wheelie bin material can be recycled and manufactured into new products, improving the environment and offering financial benefits to the customer. Every customer will receive a waste transfer note listing everything collected together with individual details and total weights, benefiting customer targets. With over 20 years management experience, CK Distribution understands the demand of tight timescales and budget constraints and will never compromise quality or service, working in partnership to ensure a smooth rollout. With experience of working on over 33% of local authority rollouts, CK Distribution knows the business well. Additional support can be provided with a regular bin cleaning service or the printing of the leaflets and calendars. The in-house print service will ensure the information delivered to households is correct, and if a problem develops, such as flooding or a missing box, CK Distribution can have replacements on site, generally within 24 hours. Outsourcing wheelie bin distribution makes sense, financially and logistically. To find out how this will work for you, call CK Distribution now.